Over the past 5 years of us being out here doing installs, it has changed vastly. Just with the group that we're with, started from a handful of us out here doing the best we could, learning as we're going, doing as many installs as we possibly can while we're out here. And since then, we've brought on so many more partners. And this year we had 30 plus people out here doing multiple installs over days. Having Cal Poly and their expertise with the engineering and construction management piece, HOA, Heart of America, just an invaluable partner for the education piece and getting in with the school districts. And then continuing to use the Goal Zero products, but upgrading those to bigger systems so that families can get more from them. And then lastly, and definitely not least, but Milo Fer, working with him over the years and getting his inside knowledge to the culture, the land, the people that we're dealing with just makes this experience so much better. After 5 years of doing this in almost 50 homes myself over those trips that we've done, I think about the lessons I've learned and the experiences from these trips. And I don't take a single one for granted. I think each time I come out here, I'm reminded of not only the beauty of the landscape, but the beauty of the people. I think that I leave this place, just reminded that it's the human connection. I think so much has changed within the program and how we approach these installs, but I'm also frustrated to see that so little has changed in the communities. I think that we really owe them so much to come in and do as much as we can. And sometimes I think is one system or one light really making a difference. And then you meet with these families and you see that spark of them realizing their kids can do homework when they get home from school. They can make their jewelry, which is a livelihood for them. They can feel more safe and protected in their homes at night. And so I think, it's frustrating that not a lot has changed, but I think the work that we're doing is baby steps towards a bigger thing. And these types of videos and this type of documenting that we can do is just if one more person out there realizes the impact they could make by joining our efforts, then it's worth it. I'm just so blessed and feel so lucky and privileged to be a part of this project and to meet all these people and all these families. And someone else in the group said, we leave thanking them just as much as they're thanking us because, this is so impactful for us as well.